Bill, I was just gonna say, Billy and I just left our shop and we left our gloves right there. Hey Billy, hold on. This is what I was thinking. Let's move some stuff over, pull that right up here, put some of these in it. Yeah. I think if we can move them over one side, enough to get one, and then we'll see what we got to do with the other, okay? Get one and the other. Can't we? What do you think? We might can get that one right next to it.
Okay.
We'll put them down after. I'll put stuff down after. Making room to get it in there. Flip it back over. This one's lighter. There you go, Billy. I like that. I like that, Bill.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this too. See that? They'll blow right out of here.
Sure.
What do you think, Billy? You like that better? All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, look at this goodness. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's more than I thought I was gonna have. And whew, that is quite a bit, Billy.
That's what I was saying. That's a lot.
Quite a bit. You gonna bring it to me?
Yes, sir. I can do that.
Okay. Well, I have one more place I'm supposed to pick up at. It's a shed building. I'm gonna have to get it on my way back because there's no way it's gonna fit in this trailer load.
There's big pieces and the rest of it is just little stuff.
Okay, we can close the doors then. We got this over here. That. Right here in the back. Grab it. Just throw it up in there. Make it easy. Let's do. All right. That might fit all the way across. Let's see if we can put it that way in first. This way, the bottom. Billy, hold it up. There you go. Go over there. Go over there.
Where do you want to go with it?
That way. All right, didn't fit. I thought it would fit.
Maybe jump on it. Might go this person down.
Well, I want to get that in here.
Huh? Yeah.
Take it back out. Out. Take it out.
Unless you just wait for that.
This one.
right on top.
Yep.
Are these going in the back of the truck?
The other side on that hood. Yeah. Like that. Beautiful. Hey, flip it over. I'm gonna turn it upside like that. Stick that in the back, right there. We'll tie it down.
Is everything up?
Yeah. Yep. Well, with what we brought from the house and what we got here, we ended up with a pretty good sized load. Full actually, and have one other place I was supposed to stop at. We'll stop there though on the way back. Let's see what we got on here. Go pretty tight. Let's get out of here. Yeah, it is.
Man, we got a decent load on there.
Yep. Yep. All right, guys, we're there. Another day, another dollar. Let's pull into Foss here and make some money. Scrapping with Grandpa, what's next? A little bit of scrapyard action. You got scrap metal everywhere. Oh. Back of my truck. All right, let's get the doors open and dump this thing. Get it! Yeah, baby. Yes, sir. Surprised he's not using the claw, to be honest with you. I think I'd be clawing that stuff over there. Next stop, right there. We're gonna go see Josh in the non-ferrous, copper, aluminum, type of stuff like that. I'm gonna get a few things in the back of my truck ready now. 18-pound dirty old sheet aluminum. 17 pounds. That's goodness right there. Yeah, that's a nice piece right there.
Yeah, dude. It's a good aluminum.
Beautiful. I'm gonna dump these out only because, or at least tip them over. Make sure Billy didn't put any aluminum ones in there. I had a buddy working with me and I wanted to make sure he didn't put any of them aluminum ones in there, that's all. 38. We'll throw it back in the bucket. Got it? Got it. Gotta put it right back in here for you. Don't trip on my stuff, brother. Not trying to trip you. I think them are all clean aluminum.
Yeah, they look like it.
Rads. Now this one here, I'm trying to figure out if this is metal. I think that might be steel. Has rust on it. Don't look good. No? No, just rusty from something. No, okay, so that's clean. I'm getting ready, and that's what I'm getting my aluminum clean. Yep. I got a friend that works 54 pounds of clean jelly bean. Is the man with a plan. Where we going with them? In that. How's it going, my brother? Beautiful day. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. That's my dirty. Yep. The rest of them's gonna be the copper.
On the other side of the building, the porta john, we'll see it. Yeah. I know it sucks.
These are all the copper ones. 74 pounds. Yesterday was 80. All right, how do we do? My name is Sue. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. I netted $300. Scrabble Grandpa, what's next? I'll go over that thing in just a minute. My God, that's a good looking ticket right there. Show me the money. Oh, we got to go over this ticket. Look at this. Shred steel per 100, $8.50. Caliber collision in Bowling Springs. Aluminum breakage, 35%, $2.80, 16 cents a pound. Aluminum old sheet, 5%, 48 cents a pound, $8.16. Greater than 3 feet, 17 pounds at 62 cents a pound for $10.54. That's aluminum 6061. Copper aluminum pieces, that's just them ends, which I should do better and tear them things apart. I get 76 cents a pound for 35 pounds of them. I'm telling you how fast it is. It's almost, I don't know. You can go either way with them pieces. It's probably better to take a little bit more time. I was just ready to go. 26.60 though for them little ends there. I kept my copper. I was gonna turn it in, changed my mind. Copper aluminum end pieces, 26. Aluminum radiators clean, $27 at 50 cents a pound. Aluminum radiators ironing, 26 cents a pound. 19 pounds, we had $4.94. And aluminum copper condensers clean. Oh, I got more yesterday. Copper is dropping again. It was $1.70 something yesterday. Damn it, $1.74, went down 10 cents overnight. Aluminum copper ends clean. So we had 74 pounds at $121. And then we had them little aluminum ends, 76 cents. Scrapple Grandpa, what's next? What's next? What's next? You know what's next? I think I'm gonna take a day off. I honestly do. I think tomorrow I'm just gonna take off. Tomorrow's Friday. I think I might have a couple videos on my other SD card that I can make, and then this one here. Yeah, I won't make videos this weekend, but I have a few that I need to get done. It takes a while to make them sometimes, so we're gonna get these videos out this weekend. I hope you guys have a great weekend, or had a great weekend, either one way it goes, according to when you've seen this video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Scrapping with Grandpa, what's next?